Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be another Jamaican Patwah for beginners lesson. As you may have noticed, I don't post every week anymore because I notice the views are getting low, so you guys need to get caught up on the videos so I can start posting every week again. But for now, I'll be posting the Patwah videos every other week. If and when the views come back up, I'll go back to weekly, or if you want me to keep doing it weekly, you can just let me know. As usual, you know, I want to make it short and spicy, but you know I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It's free. Turn the notification bells on and don't forget to get active in the comments. So let's jump straight into the video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to say these 10 words in Jamaican Patwah. Basically trying to put you on. So let's jump straight into the first word. First word is plantain. Plantain, that's Jamaican Patwah, plantain, but the word is actually plantain, and it's a member, or probably the cousin of banana. It's in the banana family, but the word is pronounced, the proper pronunciation of the word is plantain. But you'll never hear a Jamaican say plantain. We always say plantain. Plantain. So if you go to Jamaica and someone say you want some plantain, you know exactly what they're talking about. They're talking plantain. The second word in Jamaican Patwah is just file paper. File paper. We don't even say foil paper. Some people may say foil paper. I say foil paper, but Jamaican will say file paper. We're talking about aluminum foil. So if you go to Jamaica and someone talk about, or if you hear a Jamaican around a Jamaican that says file paper, you know they're talking about aluminum foil paper. The third word in Jamaican Patwah is water. Water. The proper way to say it, the English word is water. Water. So if a Jamaican say to you water, you know they just want some water. Water, 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 water. Jamaicans never say water. It's always water. Water. W-A-T-A, water. The fourth word in Jamaican Patwah is fire. Fire. F-I-Y-A-H or F-I-Y-A, fire. That's all Jamaicans say, fire. But the proper pronunciation of the word is fire. Fire. But Jamaicans say fire. Fire. If you hear fire among Jamaicans, you know they're talking about fire. Fire, fire. Number 6, Patwah word, again. Again. The proper pronunciation of the word is again. Again, again. But Jamaicans will only say again. Again. Real Jamaicans talking Patwah again. Yeah, me talk to you again. Again. Like A-G-E-N. Again. Yeah, man, we talk to you again. The proper word is again. Number 6 on my list is probably. Probably. The proper pronunciation of the word is probably. Probably. But Jamaicans say probably in Patwah. When we're talking Patwah, it's probably. 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 Number 7 on the list is going to be Pitiata. Jamaicans say Pitiata. Pitiata. Sweet Pitiata. Irish Pitiata. But the proper pronunciation of the word is potato. The English word potato. Potato. But in Jamaican Patwah, you'll always hear Pitiata. 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 Potato, potato. Number 8 on my list is buckle. Buckle, Jamaican Patwah word buckle. The proper pronunciation of the word is bottle. Bottle. The English word bottle. But Jamaicans say buckle. Buckle or bottle. Buckle or bottle. Buckle or bottle. And remember, there is also an English word battle. But Jamaicans say buckle or bottle. Buckle mainly. You'll mainly hear buckle. But the proper English word is bottle. Bottle, like a drink bottle, a drinks bottle, a water bottle, bottle. But Jamaican Patwah, buckle or bottle. Number 9 on my list in Jamaican Patwah is aisle. Aisle. Yeah, coconut aisle, vegetable aisle. May I go buy some aisle. May I fry it with aisle. Yeah. The proper word is oil. Oil. O-I-L, oil. But Jamaican Patwah, aisle. In Jamaican Patwah, it's never oil. It's always aisle. 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 But proper word is oil. Number 10 on the list is Jamaican Patwah, coconut. Coconut, or some people may say coconut. Coconut or coconut. Coconut, coconut. But the proper word, the proper pronunciation of the word is coconut. Coconut in English. Coconut is the pronunciation. Patwah, coconut or coconut. Coconut or coconut. And the bonus word, tana, number 11 is going to be flim. Flim. Jamaican Patwah, flim. Jamaicans always say flim. But the proper pronunciation of the word is film. Film. It's not F-L-I-M is the proper word. It's F-I-L-M. But in Jamaica, F-L-I-M, flim. Flim. Flim for film. So that was my final word of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are doing great, staying safe. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. Mwah, mwah, mwah.